Do you trust the humidity readings your system is giving you? Inaccurate humidity data can lead to product damage, failed audits, or even safety hazards. That's why calibrating your humidity sensor is not just good practice, it is essential. In this video, we will break down why, how often, and how to calibrate your humidity sensors. Over the time, even the best humidity sensors drift from their original accuracy. Dust, temperature fluctuation, or just prolonged use can affect the sensor element. In industries like pharma, food processing, cleanrooms, and storage, a tiny error in humidity can cause mold growth, product rejection, and regulatory non-compliance like FDA or GMP. Calibration ensures trustworthy readings, protect product integrity, and helps you to stay audit ready. Now let's check how often should you calibrate your humidity sensor. General recommendation is every 6 to 12 months for your routine monitoring and every 3 to 6 months for critical applications. Also, consider recalibrating when the device has been in extreme condition. Also, it was transported or physically impacted, or there is a suspected accuracy issue. Now, let's cover in-house versus external calibration. First, let's start with in-house calibration field check. Use a salt solution with known RH points like NaCl is equal to 75% of RH. Place sensor in a sealed chamber with salt mix. Compare readings and adjust if you need it. It is ideal for routine checks or low-risk applications. Now let's cover external or certified calibration. It is also a lab-based calibration process. It is widely used by climate chambers with traceable standard is needed. Highly accurate and comes with certification. It required for ISO 17025, FDA, WHO or GMP environments. For mission critical operations, it's always better to rely on external calibration with certified labs. So remember, calibration is the only way to keep your humidity readings accurate and trustworthy. Schedule it regularly and don't skip, especially for quality, sensitivity, or regulated environments. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video.